Slackening the cursor lock screw allows the cursor to be moved along the main beam. Taking an external measurement is done by opening the jaws until the object will fit between the measuring surfaces. Gently close the jaws until they contact the surfaces. Now lock the cursor with the lock screw and lift the vernier off the work. To take an internal measurement, close the internal jaws until they fit into the cavity to be measured. Then, open the jaws until the inner surfaces of the workpiece are contacted by the flat inner edges of the jaws. Again, lock the lock screw on the cursor and then carefully slip the caliper out of the opening. To measure depth, place the beam end squarely onto the adjacent surface. Slide the cursor down the beam until the depth rod just contacts the ledge or shoulder of the workpiece. To measure narrow grooves, use the knife edges of the external jaws. The caliper can be easily operated by one hand, using your thumb to move the cursor by means of the serrated thumb grip. Now, before you learn how to read the vernier, it is suggested that you get in a little practice by using your own vernier to get the feel of contacting the measuring surfaces against various workpieces.